Hey, what's up everyone? It's me, Flash Antonio from Flash Caps, your go-to page that features local and international cap brands with designs from sports, music, arts, and pop culture. In today's 19th episode, we're going to talk about a cap that I have been sorely wanting to add to my collection. My precious. As you may have guessed from my setup, we're going to talk about the Lord of the Rings wordmark velcro strapback cap made by Beachfield and distributed by Elbenwald. Join me on a cap adventure. So now we're going to take a close-up look at the Lord of the Rings wordmark velcro strapback cap from Elbenwald. As you can see, it comes in all black, and there's nothing really much here in terms of color except of course for the golden the Lord of the Rings word mark here up front. It comes in a pre-curved bill, has a black button, and has curiously two eyelets on this side, on the left wear side. As mentioned, it is a velcro strapback cap which is adjustable. There are no other markings on the back nor at the right wear side. And on each side, you would notice it would have two eyelets, which is it has an all black underbrim. There are no other tags on the underside except for this one, the Lord of the Rings tag on the right side. And it reads The Lord of the Rings, and the names of the characters and the events and places therein are of the Solzentz Company, Middle Earth Enterprises under license to NLP. It's made by Beachfield Original Headwear. There are no other tags on the underside of the cap. There are no running labels or tapes on the underside. And it's pretty much a plain cap. In terms of the embroidery or stitching of the Lord of the Rings wordmark, this is done in gold embroidery. It's not really embossed, but it goes through all the way in the back, as you can see here. So here's a 360-degree view of the cap. This cap came from an international distributor called Elbenwald, a hobby shop based in Germany made by fans for the fans. Shipping took about a full month from Germany to the Philippines, and special shoutouts go to Becky Dillon for helping me get this cap. Speaking of Elbenwald, they have been selling fandom merch from just about anything. Star Wars, Star Trek, Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, Supernatural, Harry Potter, and so much more. They have been doing it for about 20 years now. Check out their website. What I like about wordmark caps, such as this one, is that I can pair it with any of my fandom shirts. Oh. See? Thanks again for watching the 19th episode of Flash Caps. Sincerely appreciate all your support. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cap-related content. Till our next cap adventure, stay flashy, Flash Caps.